we are gonna do another question, which is if a particle if a particle travels a distance of x in time t seconds, given um, x equals to a plus bt plus ct squared, find the dimension of a, b, and c. So this is a very simple question, even though it might look complex for some of you. So let's check out the equation, which is x equals to a plus bt plus ct squared. So from the principle of homogeneity, we can say that the dimension of x, which is L, which we will write later, must equal the dimension of A, which must equal the dimension of BT, which must equal the dimension of CT squared. Because when you're adding things, so A is being added to BT as a whole and CT as a whole. So if they are going to be added, they must have the same dimension. So now let's take let's take two pairs at a time and find the dimensions. So since we know the dimension of x and t, we must take two equations where we have one as x and one with t or without t. So taking the first two pairs, we get the dimension of so let's write it like this. The dimension of x must equal the dimension of a. The dimension of x, which is a distance, will be L. So the dimension of a is gonna be L. So again, taking the first pair, the first and the third, I think third pair, taking the first and third, I think. So we will get BT. So the dimension of x will be L. The dimension of t will be, since t is time, it will be time, so t, which means the dimension of b will actually be L t minus 1. So now we have the dimension of x must be equal to the dimension of ct squared. So the dimension of x is L. We need to find the dimension of c. The dimension of t is t, which is squared. So now dimension of c will be lt minus 2. So therefore the dimension of a, b, and c is L, lt minus 1, and lt minus 2 respectively. So this was it for today's video, and in the next video we are gonna do some more questions. Till then, bye.